Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you the best code that you'll need on your FIRESTICK in 2025 to fully load your device. In other words, you'll be able to get a load of apps which are not available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And there are all kinds of apps: movie applications, TV shows, live TV, IPTV, sports, media players, utility applications, web browsers, and even spicy content for grown-ups only. And the whole setup is actually really easy too, and it will take you only a couple of minutes to set up. And now, without any further ado, let me show you all the steps you need to take on your FIRESTICK to get those amazing apps to your device. And first of all, you'll have to get the app code downloader to your FIRESTICK. You can actually get downloader totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, you'll have to go to search on your device. Here it is. Let's open the search bar and start typing downloader in the search. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. Let's click on downloader, and that's the app that you gotta get to your FIRESTICK device. But after you get downloader, it is not actually over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up downloader on your FIRESTICK, we have to go to settings by clicking on that button with a gear icon, then scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Let's open it. And now from here, what you gotta do is turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. All you have to do is just go to About, open it, then select Fire TV Stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That is in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you have to go to install known apps, so you open it, and now here, what you need to do is just locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we are going to do right now. So now, finally, let's go to the list of apps on your Fire TV Stick device, which is located right here. We have to open it, so we open the list, and there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire TV Stick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they are super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to New Zealand right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So go straight to the list of applications on your device, locate the downloader, so yep, here it is, and open up the application. Then just wait a bit until it loads for you, And now here, what you gotta do is just open that search bar, and now we're gonna enter a link. So the link is gonna be applinked.store. So let's enter it in the list. So it's applinked. .store. So here you go, there is the link. You can see it on your screen right now, so just make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes. Because obviously if you make a mistake, then this link is not going to work for you. After that, you gotta click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about FireSticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now when the website has opened, all you have to do is click on that download Applinked button right here at the top. So click on it, and now the download of this alternative app store is going to start for us. And next, what you have to do is just click on install and wait for the app to finish installing on your FireStick device. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds. And now, after the app was installed, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your FireStick device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way, you get rid of unnecessary files from your FireStick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default, your FireStick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now what you actually gotta do is go to settings one more time. So we again click on that button with a gear icon, scroll down, go to My Fire TV, and here once again you gotta go to developer options, then install known apps, and this time you have to locate Applinked and turn that option on as well. It's a must because we'll be using Applinked to download other applications from the internet for you. And now finally we are ready to go to the list of apps on your FireStick device. We open it up, and here at the bottom you'll find Applinked, which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. So you click on it and then press on move to front. This way Applinked is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just once again, don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Then finally, we open the Applinked on your FireStick and wait until it loads for you. And from here, it's actually pretty easy to use. You can either go to public stores and browse all the available applications in this alternative app store. So here you'll find all kinds of apps such as movies, TV shows, media players, IPTV players, live sports applications, spicy apps for grown-ups, and so on. Or alternatively, if you are interested in specific categories such as live streaming, movies and TV shows, games, sports, utilities, and so on, you can browse specifically by categories. So let's say I am into sports. In that case, I would click on the sports category. And this way you get access to sports applications only. I just had to blur out my screen right here because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact apps available here, but in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. So today you learned how to jailbreak your FireStick and do it in 2025. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.